YouTube? I got a new thing. I mean, it's not even a mod, it's just something to make the car look good. And it came to the mail today. I came home and I found this in the mail. It's a shift knob, carbon fiber. Let's see if I can zoom in. There you go. Made in Taiwan. Is VMS racing. So I'm going to install it right now so you guys can see it. That's my knob right there. You can tell it's old. It's got like the leather's all flaky. So let's see what it comes in there. Do this one hand. Let's see. Alright, so see some paperwork in here. Put this on the side first. Alright. This is some kind of instruction. I don't know why they will bring instruction with this. They don't bring stuff. Some companies don't give you instructions on the most important things. But VMS somehow have instructions with a shift knob, which I think is neat. I mean, it's a straightforward install, but it helps when people don't know what they're doing, you know. Comes with that. Comes with some kind of catalog, like to shop for parts for your car, just in case you need something else. It's got a bunch of aftermarket parts in it. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Is that? Yeah, oil caps. And it comes with a sticker. I don't do stickers, so I guess this will stay in the box. I don't put stickers on my car. I don't see anything attractive about it. And another catalog, it says. Oh yeah. Yep, another catalog. Anyways, those are the paperwork that came with it. Put that over there in the seat. And let's see the knob itself, and then we're going to install it. I'm trying to do it one-handed, so bear with me here. It's nice, man. Look at that. It's awesome. It's heavy too. It's got some weight to it and it fits in my hand. It's awesome. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think you can. You can see the carbon fiber in it. Alright, and it comes with a stopper. A little piece that says VMS on it. Alright, let's get to the install. We'll call it a day. Just take this off. Alright, and then the stopper goes on first. Where it says VMS goes on the bottom, so it fits onto it like that. Alright, tighten it up. Where's the knob? You take your knob, now bring my booth up a little. There you go. It's installed. Just trying to match the little carbon fiber that I got going on here. And this is beautiful. I kind of like it. Yeah, it fits in my hand. So Alright, people, let me know what you think. Peace.